Okay, hi folks. This is for people that have ReZurrection control boxes, open loop, closed loop, etc. At the bottom of your box, you'll see a label here that has user connection terminals. And this is where you're going to be connecting things like your limit switches and tool measurement, zero plates and such. The way to understand this is by looking above here. There is these terminal blocks. If we look at the connection, or we look at the label at the bottom, you'll see it says top, if I can get in on here, top and bottom. The top is referring to this bank up here. You'll be connecting to where this orange wire is going in. If I can duck underneath a little bit, maybe you'll see where those screw in, and these screws get loosened for you to put wires in them. That's the top portion. So proximity switches, tool measure, etc. The bottom is labeled as minus 24 and plus 24 if you're looking at the label. Sorry for the wires here. What that means is that all the way on bottom here, where you see this orange wire and the blue and the brown wire that I've started to put in, these first three, 1, 2, 3 blocks are going to be minus 24 volts, and the first 3 will be minus 24, and the next 3 will be plus 24. So if you need to connect to those based on the instructions, that's where you do it. So what I'm doing right now is connecting a proximity switch. And so your proximity switches are going to be 24 volt NPN style. If you have any sort of inductive proc switch, and they'll look something like this. All of these tend to have the same color wires, blue, brown, and black. And so I've started to connect the 2 wires here. The blue goes on bottom to one of our open minus 24 positions. The brown goes to one of our plus 24 positions. And then if you see above the minus 24 there, it says X low, XLO. That's going to be where we connect our black wire. And so that'll go into here. And then the same thing would happen for the next one that says Y low. Y would go next to that. Your Z procs would go next to that. And then eventually you would get to your tool measure and it would get connected to that. And so this is just the basics to start you off, and sorry for the quality here, but I'll try to make another better video soon. Thanks.